Pow pow. And print it. Girl, I had to get all these orders out. Hey guys. It's Sunday, it's 10:41 p.m. and then tomorrow I'm gonna show you guys everything, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so it is like 3 in the morning, 2 in the morning, I don't know. Tomorrow I have a lot of inventory coming in, and I didn't know that it was coming in tomorrow. I thought it was coming in Friday, so your girl is a little behind. I was working on my notebooks instead of my inventory for KDK Beauty. So yeah, everything kind of just got like mixed up or whatever, but I'm getting it done. So I just hurry up and made these and printed them out. These are going to be my hang tags, and my hang tag gun is coming tomorrow, so I'll show you guys that. And also I showed you guys these before, but I made them a tad bit smaller and I just printed them out for the time being, just because like I said, I had a whole completely different idea for my hang tags and postcards, but I don't have time for all of that. So here's what they look like, and then I just use this. I'll have a video link down below if you guys want to know how I cut them up and stuff, because I usually show y'all. Here's a bunch of labels that I already have done. The other side has like the addresses and stuff on there. I cannot wait until I have my label printer here, and I won't have to worry about all of that. But until then, we're gonna rock with what we got. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed, so I'll talk to you guys in the morning. Okay, so for the hang tags, all I'm doing is using this little cutting board, and I'm going to cut it. Desmond is helping me, and he's doing some of them for me. Sir, Mr. Sir. Yeah. Hey guys. Okay. So today we have an inventory unboxing. Now this inventory unboxing is super exciting because in July I told you guys that I wanted to expand my brand and launch clothes and shoes and different accessories, just anything I want basically. I didn't want it to just be eyelashes and lip gloss. Started off with a few tops and onesies, and now I have different bottoms and sets. My sets and my bottoms, I have more sets and bottoms on the way. They're actually in production right now. So in the next few videos, you guys will be able to see me unbox all of that stuff as well. So this is like super exciting for me. It's just, I don't know, I just love it. As you can see in the back of me, I have notebooks. So here are the notebooks that I sell for my brand Pretty and Paid. So I custom hand make these notebooks. They aren't finished yet. I have to add the gold corner protectors on them. So those will be going out today and tomorrow and Thursday. So if you guys have, today is Tuesday. So if you guys purchase a notebook from me, your order will be shipped this week. It will be shipped. All orders, all notebook orders will be shipped this week. Now I'm going to show you guys my stack pants that I have, and yeah, so if you guys are interested in seeing that, then keep on watching. I'm also going to show you guys my hang tags and other little small stuff. I'm going to open it up. Y'all, this package, I don't know if it's looking small on camera, but it's actually pretty huge. Like, it's really big. So, yeah. Okay, so here is how the stack pants come. Let me take this out. Of course, I have different packaging for my stuff or whatever. So, it looks like this. Ooh. Okay, I'm about to give y'all a close-up on these. I'm also going to try them on and show you guys how they look. So here are my stack pants. If you guys want to see the material, here is what the material looks like. It's like a thin sweatpant, thin jogger style pants. It's not a legging material. So, or if you consider this a legging material, it's like a good thick legging material. It's not cheap quality at all. So yeah, here are the little strings that come with it, and then it has a band right there. So this is a size small. I have size small through 2X's. All my ladies that wear 2X's, y'all be shopping. I see y'all. Thanks so much. I appreciate it a lot. So I have a few of those. Size small. Here's some mediums. Here's some more mediums. More smalls. More large. Here goes some larges. Another small. I have a bunch of. That's why I said if y'all. So we also have gray. I'm gonna go ahead and take. But I was trying to show y'all how deep it is. Like it's a lot in here. I have another shipment on the way, and I'm super excited. I cannot wait to show you guys my next shipment because it's in production right now. I'm getting my labels and everything added. Unfortunately, I did not get my labels added onto this batch just because processing was going to be too long. So yeah, on my next batch, if you guys ordered probably like after the 18th, all of your pants and sets and stuff will have my labels on it. So here is the gray material. Now the gray material is a little bit thinner than the black material. So here is the gray. It's a little bit thinner than the black. Still great quality, not see-through at all. Here's the material up close. It's a little wrinkled. Don't let that fool you. Don't let that fool you, girl. But here's the band right here. Super stretchy. These pants are super stretchy. I wear a size medium in them, but I can't get in a size small. I can't get in a size small. And I'm around 130, 140. I don't know how much I weigh. But yeah, so here's the gray. And I have a bunch more in here. I only have black and gray in this shipment. Our next shipment will have different colors launching, different sets, and you guys don't want to miss it. Girl, I have to get all these orders out. But before I go, if you guys want to purchase these, you can click the link in the description box or head over to kdkbeauty.com and use the code STACKED1 and you'll get a percentage off. Okay, so I do have some other things that I want to show you guys besides these pants. So I have inventory. I have just basically like supplies that I need for my inventory. I have a hang tag gun, which I'm pretty sure that I have one in my closet, but I didn't feel like looking for it. And I was like, plus I probably need 2 of them anyway, so let me just go ahead and buy one. I'll have it linked down below. I also got poly mailers. I am going to ship my clothing in poly mailers depending on what you purchase. So I have some of those. And I also have small poly mailers and some other little stuff. Okay, so I already opened this one in the car, girl. I was so thirsty. Y'all know how I be. So I purchased, oh, that's what, oh, it's the extra needle. Okay, I need to keep that. So I purchased the hang tag gun, and here are the little things that come with it. I purchased, I keep dropping everything. So my gun came with 1,000 of these little things that you need to, you know, those are like the little clothing things or whatever. And then I also have this gun. Pow-pow. So yeah, I have that. And I'm gonna like just show you guys in this video how I do it, but I will have a whole dedicated video for that. So I'm gonna put this over here. And then, y'all, so let me tell you. Girl, I was running around town looking for this ink. Tell me why I had it in my office. I just be having so many packages, I forgot that I ordered it. So I had ink here this whole time, and I didn't need to run around the city looking for it because I already had some here. So now I have extra. I don't even know what's in here. This might be for my notebooks. Let's see. Okay, so you open it up. Okay, so this is for all of my notebooks. So notebooks are on the way. I have a bunch of inventory right there. So these are for my pants. Y'all know I use these for my notebooks as well. They're just clear bags, and it just makes everything look professional. So instead of using this bag that it comes in, I'm going to be using these bags. It just looks cleaner and more professional to me. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be using. I'll have that link down below as well. And then here are my poly mailers side of my box. Let's get her out. Okay, so I have these. I used to sell my merchandise inside of these little poly mailers, and I saw them and I was like, oh, I want to sell these again. So I want to I'm going to use these for like small little crop tops, and then like just single eyelashes, or just an accessory or something like that. So I purchased these and they're just so cute. And then I also have these pink ones. These are going to be for all of my only clothing items. I probably won't use these for any beauty items unless I really need to, because I have other packaging for that. So yeah, super cute. This is size, what size did I get? Yeah, because y'all always ask me sizes of everything. So for these light pink ones, they are size 12 by 15 and a half, and it's a 100 pack, and I got them for $8.49. And I also have these ones size 6 by 9. I got 100 of those, and they were only $3.49 for a 100 pack. So you pack and ship. If you guys are not hip with you pack and ship, girl, I don't know what you're doing. Shipping is $7.95, but girl, trust me, I did the math and it's way cheaper still. So I used to order from this company all the time and I love them. Y'all know these boxes that I always get. These are from Amazon. I have a whole video on them. You guys, I'm pretty sure that a lot of you guys watch this video, the video of me giving you guys my shipping information, because a lot of you guys use these boxes now. But if you haven't, I will have them linked down below and everything. So yeah, I get a lot of questions about my white boxes. That's all I'm going to show you guys for now. I have packages from my Bossfriends, and I have packages for sponsorships that I need to show you guys, but I will most likely do that in another video. So yeah, stay tuned for that. My tripod right now. And it's actually a whole freaking package. So let's see what this is. I think it's for my I think this is for my notebooks. A bunch of notebook supplies in this box as well. I will have them available for purchase when you guys are watching this, so make sure you guys click the link in the bio to purchase one of my custom made entrepreneur books. I wanted to show you guys how I do the hang tag gun or whatever. So I need to figure out where I want to put the tag at. I'm going to put it at the top, and I'm just looking for a good spot to put it. I think I'm going to put it on the side. So here's the front, and then I think I'm going to put it on this side. So I've done this before multiple times. You guys can't really see. I have a poly mailer right here. Put the pants inside. That size small black. Put that in there. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I have a bunch of orders to pack up. My mom is gonna come over and be my assistant for the rest of the night. So I'm gonna get all of these orders out. And if you guys have purchased from me, thank you so much. I really do appreciate y'all so much. And if you haven't, make sure you guys check out my website, kdkbeauty.com. I will be posting again another inventory unboxing and me using the hang tag gun, making hang tags, and all of that. So make sure you guys are tuned in with my channel. You have your post notifications on so you can be notified whenever I upload. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys next time, boss friends. Bye.